Hi and welcome back. Hope you all had a good holiday. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I actually was waiting on stuff. There was no deliveries during Christmas, so I was just waiting to get stuff. This is what I do have today. I'll just show you what happens with this console. When I plug it in, I get no fan spin, no nothing. And when I go to turn it on, it beeps on, beeps off. But if sometimes it will come on for a few seconds and I will get a light. Like I'm getting no light on it there now. Now, the strange thing about this console is sometimes it will power on for like about 4 seconds with no fan spin and go off, but if you leave it plugged out for a while, maybe it's just a coincidence, but it does actually power up fully sometimes. So I've already tested it with taking out the hard drive, taking out the disk drive, taking out the fan, but as I was disassembling it, I noticed something here that I'll show you now. It has a lot of corrosion down here, just on this area. So I'm thinking this is probably what's causing it. Something is shorting inside here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fully disassemble and I'm going to get it underneath the microscope then, and I will just to have a look at the other side of the board. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look for corrosion around that. Now the reason I think it's that port is because it does power up, like I said. Sometimes, twice now since I got this console, it has fully powered up and stayed on. So, but when you turn it off after it powers up, it just goes back off again and it just won't come back on. It'll turn on for like 4 seconds without a fan spin, but every now and again it will, like I said, it will come on. So that's why I'm thinking it's down here. I only noticed that there today, that there was corrosion on it, and I don't know how I missed it. But if you look here, I'll try and get a better image. I'll get it underneath the microscope in a minute, but it's just this area here seems to be pretty bad. I mean, the rest of the board's in pretty good condition, I suppose. I don't know what that is there, but it just seems to be there. And if I look here, it's actually after eating into the casing. So that's really weird. I've never seen that before. It's like water must have got in here. That must have sat with the water on that side. So what I'll do is I'll switch it over to the microscope and I'll take a look at it under there. What I'll do is switch it under the microscope, have a fast look around the board to see is there any more damage. Like, see, there is something there, and maybe just, I don't have a replacement port at the moment, but I mean I can make another video if I'm replacing it, but I just take it off for now just to see if anything changes in the console, and we'll go from there. So I'll switch over to the microscope now.
There was a time when I was alone. Silence.
In Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona.
like I fly to the highest high.
Silence.
In Phoenix, Arizona. In Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay, so it's back together, and the good news is it does work. I do get a light and it will stay on. The problem was the components around the RAM chip were corroded, so I needed to replace them. So I ended up taking the front USB port off, and that wasn't the issue. But like I said, it needed to come off anyway. It needs to be replaced, but I have to actually order one of them. I don't have one in stock. I actually haven't tested the display yet, but I'm going to do it there now. But the port looks good, everything looks good, so see if we get a display. And yeah, we do. We get an E106 error, so that's a hard drive. So I'm going to have to do an offline update, and this console should be alright. Like I said, a bit of corrosion. Not sure how actually it got so bad. It water damage in the corner and in one of the RAM chips there. So it was interesting, but we got it fixed anyway. That was the main thing. So like I said, hopefully I see you in the next video. It was a short video. It was a short, easy fix. And like I said, I hope everyone had a good Christmas if you celebrate it, and I'll see you in the new year again. Thanks for watching.